The question says that if in exercise number 4.21 the speed of the stone is increased beyond the maximum permissible value and the string breaks suddenly, which of the following correctly describes the trajectory of the stone after the string breaks? So in the past question we solved out that maximum velocity that can be achieved safely was 34.64 meter per second. Now what will happen if the velocity is increased? So if the velocity is increased, then the tension would increase and it can't be sustained by the string, so the string will break. Now there are three cases that describes the possible scenario after breaking of the string. So in the first case we see that the stone moves radially outwards, and the second that is, let us assume that this stone is here. Now the first case says that the stone moves radially outwards. It means when the string is broken from here, then stone will fly away like this in this direction. Let us assume that its velocity was directed in this way. Now the first case says that the stone will fly away in this direction. This is the first case. And the second case says that, let us assume that V is in the same direction. The stone flies off tangentially from the instant the string breaks. Now it says that the stone is flying in the same direction tangentially. And the third case says that the stone flies off at an angle with a tangent whose magnitude depends on the speed of the particle. So the third option says that with the tangent, let us assume that this is the velocity, and since it is a circular path like this, so this is the tangent also, and the stone is flying with an angle of the tangent, like let us assume that angle is theta. So from first law of Newton's, we know that every body continues to be in its state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless coupled by some external force to act otherwise. So what it means is that when on a body there is no net force acting, so there can't be any acceleration, and thus it will continue its state of rest or of uniform motion. So uniform motion here means that the object will go with a constant velocity or speed. So the moment string is broken, what we see here is that it will stop revolving because there is no any tension force that is acting to constrain it in the path, and thus the centrifugal force that was acting in the outward direction will also go. So the body will have no net force, or the net force on the body will become zero. So it is poised that the stone will fly off tangentially in the instant the string breaks, because the velocity is always directed tangentially to the path in a uniform circular motion. So the stone will follow its velocity and it will go in the direction of its velocity. Thank you.